What's up everybody, my name is Brian. I sell clothing full-time on eBay. I go to stores like thrift stores and garage sales to pick up my items. And we're gonna go out and find those items. But first, we're gonna ship some orders, so I'm gonna show you guys some things I've sold. Let's go. It is 19 items for $534. First up, we have this Billabong Submersibles shorts, size 36. They're new with tags. I believe I paid 12 bucks for these, and they sold for $46 shipped. Next up, we got these Levi's chino pants, size 33, 32, I think. Probably paid $5 or less for these. They could have been a bins pickup for $1. I'm not sure. But they went for 15 plus 9. Not a ton of money, but these bread and butter sales, you know, keep things moving. Next up, we have this red MMA Elite shirt. I sold a bunch of these. A lot of them go for about $50. Especially the long sleeves. This is a short sleeve and it had a few stains, so I listed it for $22 plus $6 shipping, and it sold within a few hours. So probably undersold it here, but it had stains and I didn't want it sitting in my store. So yeah, got a quick sale there. Got another bread and butter sale here. American Eagle cargo short, size 35. Sold for $15 plus $9 shipping. Next up, we have this women's Orvis shirt, sold for $14 plus $6 shipping. And it's a button up. It's just kind of like a floral sort of geometric pattern. I think I picked this up for the bins for like 80 cents or something. So yeah, 80 cents into 20, was that 20 shipped? Pretty good sale there. Next up, we have this Untuckit 2XL linen shirt, sold for $24 plus $6 shipping, $31. Pretty good sale there. Good brand. The linen helps it sell for more money, and also the sizes as well, bigger size. Good sale there. This brand is Tianello. It's a size small. I picked this up at the bins for pretty cheap. It only sold for $13 plus $6 shipping. Because it had stains, and also I priced it pretty cheap because it's size small, so the sell-through rate wasn't great. But you know, I probably picked this up for $1 at the bins and still made my $10 profit on this probably. Here we go, just a classic Under Armour polo, size XL. It's like orange and gray. Sold for $18 plus $6 shipping. Usually those polos I'm paying like, on average in my town, they're $5. This is a pair of Polo Ralph Lauren chino pants. Nothing special about them. Size 38, 34. Sold for $22 plus $9 shipping. So pretty good sale. Probably pick this up for $5 or $7, and just a good bread and butter sale. All right, here's a Callaway quarter zip. Sold for $15 plus $6 shipping. Not the greatest sale, probably paid $4 or $5 for this. But again, more bread and butter, let's go. Here's a Karen Scott polo. It's kind of got like two different colorways, kind of like two shirts. I picked this up at the bins. If you guys know what the bins are, it's like where you go and there's a bunch of bins and you just throw them all in a bag, and it's paid by the pound. So it's like $1.50 or $1.80 per pound or whatever. So I probably picked this up for less than $1. Sold for $13 plus $6 shipping, so I should have made my $10 profit on this. So the size, by the way, was 1X. So those extra large sizes, the plus sizes do well. The smaller sizes, not so much. These items used to be super hard to find, but I've been finding them all around lately. I don't know why. I don't know what happened, but they've been popping up. Mizzen Maine is the brand. Sold for $27 plus $6 shipping. They sell pretty quickly for around that much. Sometimes they go for upwards of like 36 if they're a bigger size, but yeah, good sale there. Alright, next up we have this Eddie Bauer flannel, size large. Sold for $15 plus $6 shipping. Nothing special there. This is a pair of Duluth pants, size 46-30. They're like a nice canvas. I wanted to get more money for these because they were getting a decent amount of traction. I took a best offer of $20 plus $9 shipping. Alright, this is a Christian Dior shirt. I've been sitting on this for a long time. Sold for $10 plus $6 shipping. Yeah, I don't know what it is with this brand. Sometimes it sells, sometimes it doesn't. This one's maybe just an older, kind of ugly pattern. So, alright, here's a Torrid dress size 2. I picked this up at the bins. It's very light, so it was very cheap. Definitely under $1. And sold for $10 plus $6 shipping. I took a best offer and I also priced it low. Yeah, I just wanted to move quickly. Cheap stuff like this, I just want to see it go. Customer's probably happy with the cheap item. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with these. When I pay very little and get those kinds of sales quickly, I don't know, I like it. Alright, next we got this Alex Crane shirt, size medium. It's 100% linen, and this went for $52 plus $6 shipping. Yeah, make sure to be on the lookout for this brand. I don't find it very often. When I do, it sells very quickly for a lot of money. Next up, we have a Sportique hoodie. The data wasn't really good on these. The sell-through rate wasn't very good. But I found like 50 of these with new tags, so I bought them all on their website. It's just kind of a newer brand, it seems like. And it looks like they're going new for like 80 bucks. So new with tags was like, they're spending advertising dollars on this company. Eventually, you know, sales are probably gonna roll in. I just kind of had a hunch that they were gonna sell, and they did. I kind of paid up for these. I think I paid like $7, so I didn't make a ton of money. Sold for $19 plus $9 shipping. But listings were pretty easy because I just listed the same item pretty much over and over again. So not a huge sale there, but they all, I think I have like one left. So they all did sell, and I actually kept 2 of these for myself because they are super comfy. Next up, we have this Lucky Brand pair of jeans, women's, that's been sitting in my store forever. It's the Lolita size 8/29, I think. Yeah, I wouldn't pick these up. I must have got it for cheap. I don't know. But sold for $19 plus $9 shipping. So actually not a bad sale, but it took forever. And the item actually was under £1, so shipping didn't cost very much. So it was actually a little bit better of a sale than I thought. All right, so that is all the sales for the day. We are going to head to the thrift. As you guys can see, I forgot my bag today, so I had to use a smaller bag. So yeah, I'm gonna have to carry those out. But yeah, we're gonna head to the post office. It's Friday today, so I'm not gonna go like a full route like I usually do. I usually source for like over 4 hours a day. It's like half my day. So, but today I'm just gonna hit a few stores. It's Friday. I want to wind up the week. I definitely have enough items almost for the week, so I don't need to pick up a ton of items. So yeah, let's get to it. First find of the day, we have this Duluth polo. Just a nice little bread and butter pickup here. It's a 2XLT, which is really what's gonna sell it. They want $5, and I'll probably get around $25 to $32 for it. All right, so that was usually my honey hole store, and yeah, only picked up that one item. So sometimes it's just the way it goes. Usually it's my favorite store to go to, but I hit it right in the morning, so it's probably cleaned out yesterday, and you know, they haven't put out their new racks yet, so there might be stuff later. I could come back, but I'm not going to. So yeah, a little disheartening, but it's okay. I'm not looking for, usually I try to hit 35 items a day, but I've been hitting a little bit over that, so today I'm not super worried. But yeah, we'll just go to the next stores and see how it goes. Alright, at this next store we have these Cinch white label jeans. The white label does pretty well. They want $10 for them, but they're in perfect condition. I'll probably list them for $30 plus $9 shipping and see what kind of offers come in. Next up we have this Ralph Lauren Blake shirt, size large. I really like the pattern here, and the Blake series of Ralph Lauren does pretty well for me. Next up, I love finding these Croft & Barrow quick dries. I try to pick up the bigger sizes, even bigger than XL, but this one had a good print, so I decided to pick it up. They're vented, and people like to pick them up for their fishing trips. Next up, we have this vintage Wrangler shirt, X long tails, cowboy cut. It's got a lot of things going for it, and just an amazing print. Should sell pretty quickly for decent money. Alright, the next store was 4 items for $28, so we're up to 5 items for the day. I was kind of hoping I could get at least 25 items for the day. We'll see if I can hit that. Let's get to it. I found this vintage Woolrich flannel, dead stock with the tags. Paying up for it $10. I'm gonna try to list it at 30 plus shipping. Might be overpaying for it, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I don't know what you call this brand, Gurmichi Polo, size medium. They only want $5. It's kind of appealing, but it's, I don't know, it's such a strong brand. I decided to pick it up anyway. I think it was in good enough condition that somebody would want it. Let me know what you guys think about this one, Polo Ralph Lauren. It's a pink paisley pattern. They wanted $10 for it, which is why I was kind of iffy on picking this one up. But I think the pattern is good enough that it's worth it. It'll definitely sell. I totally forgot, but it was half off day at the Salvation Army today, so when I went, I was thrilled. I picked up a full cart full of stuff. I'm not going to go over everything, but I'll just kind of go over a few highlights. Here's Polo Ralph Lauren Hampton pants, size 36-30. Looks like they're going for about $36 shipped. I don't sell a lot of Columbia, but for only $3.50, the convertible ones do pretty well. This is where you can zip off the pant legs mid-hike. Soft Surroundings does pretty well for me. XL is a good size, and they are linen. It is a linen dress, so linen will sell pretty quickly, and for $3.50, that's a no-brainer. Next, we have a ton of J. Jill. This one's a nice paisley pattern. Again, only $3.50. There's a bunch of dresses here. Good sizes, good patterns. I picked up all of them for about $3.50 or $4.50. Tommy Bahama. I like this pickup here because it's 100% linen. You know, the linen, silk, tencel, materials like that, more premium materials are going to do better. But at $3.50, even the cotton ones I'd pick up. All right, it's the last store. There was a half off day. I totally forgot about it. So that's pretty great. Looks like we paid $80 and bought 20 items. So yeah, less than $5 per item, 20 items at that one store. So what are we up to now? I can't even remember how many items we had up to this point. It was like 9, right? So we're up to 29 items, something like that. I don't know. So yeah, we're up to a good number for the day. I could still hit one more store on the way home if I'd like, or I can get lunch and be done for the day. I only showed you guys some of the items because you know, I bought 20 items. I don't know, I didn't want to show everything. So yeah, I got lots of bread and butter there. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, to hit up that many items in one store, it's not very common nowadays. There's so many resellers out there that it's tough. So yeah, very happy with all the items that I picked up.